green color 3 pair, white color 4 pair, and a 5 pair for you. Another 5 more bag. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1 more 5 bag for you. Continue. Thank you for your follow, Pinky. White color with the orange pom-pom pen, 1 piece. And the next one, here is the white color metallic pen, 2 pieces for you. 2 pieces for you. And the next one, here is the green color stone chip and the heart chip pen, 1, 2 pieces. And the next one bag, here is red color. Which color? 1 more. Good morning. Please welcome. Oh, hi, Charlie. Welcome back here. Love your photo. The little cat watching you in secretly. Next one, red color again. So many. Oh my God, so many wish color chip for our Stephanie. What a lucky day for you. Next one bag, blue color with a heart chip pen, 1 piece. The blue color 1 pair, red color 2 pair, white color 3 pair. 3 more for you. 1, 2, 3. Okay, continue. Next one. Happy to see you smile. It's our blue rose pen, 1 piece for you. And the next one. This is another one. Which color? 1 more wish color for you. This is the bunny pen. And one more time. One more time. This is a blue color with a multicolor pen. 1 more bag for you. And 1 more free. This is our last one. Pinky color with a white pink creaming pen. 1 piece for you. White color matching. 1 more free extra. And 1 more free. This is our white color again. Wow, the luxury diamond rose pen, 1 piece. Last red color. Oh, let me get you another free 1 more with the last red color. There has a green drop. 1 more free bag for you. Here is another one. Oh, what is that color? Green. Green color 1 piece with the pom-pom pen, 2 pieces. 1, 2. 1 pair, and I give you extra 1 more free. 1 more free bag. Here is another one. Pinky color matching. Also give you extra 1. This is the gray and the purple color, 2 pieces. Wow, suddenly get lots of pom-pom. This is the green color. Blue 1 color matching. This is our purple fabric pen, 1 piece for you. And another free 1 more. Here is another one. White color. Oh, the color matching. Don't stop me. The color matching didn't stop. We got the brown rose pen, 1 piece for you. Extra 1 more free. Here is our white color sugar pen, 1 piece. This is a one last pen for my Stephanie. Congratulations.
Crazy number.
Yeah. 65.
Give her